Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing chicken and corn soup. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have some chicken foot and I also have my chicken. I went ahead already and cleaned up these chicken and chicken foot nicely, and of course I went ahead and washed it with some vinegar and I chop it up nicely in some small pieces. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and of course season my chicken and my chicken foot before I go ahead and cook it. If you don't season it, it is fine. It's up to you what you want to do, guys. Just be creative and always try to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. So basically I added some of my chicken season, some all-purpose seasoning, some seasoned salt, some of my paprika and some black pepper. Combine all of that goodness together and then we're going to put it to the side for roughly about 15 minutes. I went ahead already and chop up my pumpkin in some small pieces, and of course you always want to wash your pumpkin nice before you go ahead and start cooking. So now we're gonna go in and of course add some water to the pot that we're gonna prepare this amazing soup in. And once we add the water, we're gonna go in and add the pumpkin and also the chicken foot and the chicken, and we're just gonna allow this to come to a boil nicely. And of course we want to ensure that the chicken and the chicken foot is nicely cooked halfway, and of course you might need to add some more water. So what you want to do, you just want to have a kettle nearby with some hot water so that once you need water, you can always go ahead and add some hot water instead of adding the cold water. So once that is boiled nicely, we're gonna come back and we're gonna start adding the rest of the ingredients to the pot. All right, so all of these items that I'm using, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. So just a note, if you want to add more chicken as well, you can always go ahead and add more chicken. It's up to you what you want to do. Like I said, just be creative and always be you in the kitchen. So of course I went in and I added the corn, and you can always use the regular corn or you can always go ahead and use the sweet corn that they do have in the supermarket, or you can visit your local farmers market. All right, so now I went ahead and add some hot water to the soup pot, and of course we allow the corn to cook nicely, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our spinach, our yam, our thyme and our scallion, and of course some pimento berries, and we're gonna add of course our scotch bonnet pepper. And you can't make soup without spinach, so of course we're gonna go in and add some spinach to this and our cock soup mix. And you can always go ahead and use a spicy cock soup mix, or you can simply use the pumpkin cock soup mix, whichever one you want to use and whichever brand you choose to use. Of course we're gonna always add some hot water like I said earlier. So once I'm finished adding the spinach, I'm going to go in and of course add some more hot water, and we're going to allow this to come to a boil nicely before we add the cock soup mix. So just a note, guys, if you do want to add other items to your soup, you can always go ahead and do so. So if you want to add chocho, if you want to add Irish, if you want to add dasheen, you can always go ahead and do it. It's up to you what you want to do and also what your family loves. So like I said earlier, you can always go ahead and prepare this for your family, for your friends, if you're having a party, whatever you're having, you can always go ahead and prepare some amazing chicken and corn soup. And again, it's up to you what you want to add, if you want to add more items to it. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna add some more of the hot water to this and allow it to come to a nice boil before we go ahead and add the cock soup mix. And of course Once we add the cock soup mix, we're going to combine everything together nicely again. And of course, I might add some all-purpose seasoning. And once we add the all-purpose seasoning, you just combine everything together nicely and allow it to cook. And once it's cooked nicely, I will come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing soup. It was so good. It was just easy to prepare, and my family, they do love it. So you can always go ahead and try it out for your family. So we're almost finished, so we're just gonna allow this to cook down, and basically this is it, the final product of my amazing chicken and corn soup. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. We're on our way to 10K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing. Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow.